Using slide animation is a really fun way to make your presentation more exciting and a lot more interactive. So I'm going to show you an example of that in this math lesson. So first, if you want to, you can create transitions between your slides. So if I'm on a slide, I can go to transition, and I can choose that between slides I want them to slide from the right or the left, or I want them to flip. And then it'll show me what that looks like. When I'm choosing transitions, I can apply to all of the slides, or I can do different ones for each slide. You may have already watched the interactive tutorial, but we talked about how to make lessons more interactive and give some feedback. So the example used was if students were doing some independent practice and they were using the order of operations to solve this problem and selecting their answer below. What we can do is when they select the wrong answer, they can be taken to a slide that when they press play goes through step by step how to solve the problem. And to do that, we're going to use animation. So how that works is when I select an item, I can go to Insert Animation. And so on a click, I want the equation to fade in. And then next, I want to circle the part of the equation that we'd solve first. So I want that to fade in. And then next, I want to show what the answer to that part is. So I'm going to have that fade in as well. And then next, I want to rewrite the equation. So I'm going to move that circle for now. Rewriting the equation. Next, I want to circle the next part we solve. And I want that to be solved. And I want to rewrite the equation. Circle the part that needs to be solved next. Solve the circled part. Rewrite the equation. Circle what needs to be solved. Find the answer. And circle the answer. And so now we can click play and watch what will happen. So as I click, students are able to see step by step how this problem is solved and perhaps find where they went wrong in solving the problem. Something to know about animation, it only works when you're in present mode, so you would need to give some students some directions to play this presentation in present mode so that as they go through, the animation actually works.